Well, Merv, what are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna kill some people.
Okay.
Oh my god! 1 second, it fell out. It fell out.
She had to get out and make it.
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Such a rockin' good time!
Yeah.
So tell me more about this guy.
Okay, well, Chuck Norris, he does not have AIDS, but he gives it to people anyway.
Really? Wow.
Yes, he's that cool.
But he said I'm on a roll with all the girls I know. His baby mama, she makes us laugh.
Got there!
Got there!
Oh, girl! Put it!
But he said I'm on a roll with all the girls I know. His baby mama, she makes us laugh. He said I'm on a roll.
Well, Chuck's a schmuck. Why would he drive in the muck?
You do not take the name of Chuck Norris in vain.
What are you talking about? You suck!
Well,
Cool. I don't watch Sesame Street!
You're going down, Merv.
You suck!
What are you doing?
Hey! Hey! No! I don't want to go with you.
But he said I'm on a roll with all the girls I know. His baby.
What a schmuck.
you do not say that about Chuck.
Sorry.
What the fuck?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, what? The potatoes are in the fridge!
Oh! Really such a.
But did you know after much debate, President Truman decided to drop the atomic bomb on Hiroshima? Rather than the alternative of sending Chuck Norris, it was more humane.
What?
I got an idea for the show. It's a great
What?
idea. Get...
We don't want to hear about your bodily functions!
I'm on a roll with all the girls I know. I know you wanna hit that. I know you.
I gotta go pick up Chuck.
What's up?
He's stuck in the muck.
Stuck in the muck?
With his truck.
With this truck?
Yes.
What the fuck?
They're in the fridge! Go!
I'm on a roll with all the girls I know. I know you wanna hit that. I know.
How was the drive over today?
Drive over wasn't too good. I had to walk from house to house. Called him back.
They're in the fridge! I'm going to church tomorrow!
Yeah! Yeah!
I'm going to church tomorrow!
That's the way things go.